Greetings and salutations, Ravage Rider here. Let's install, I actually don't know what this is called. Wheel tape? Sure, let's install wheel tape. So as I said, this is a wheel tape. I see that it's made in Italy, www.ProGrip.com. I've not heard of this before. I bought it at my local motorcycle dealership. I actually thought that it would go really well on my Honda. It's a red reflective tape that goes on the inside of the rim. Comes with the tape. It says enough for both sides of two wheels, and it comes with the applicator. Let's give it an install. So this should be a super simple install. I have this applicator. It says enter right here. I place the wheel tape right face side up, and I put it in a little bit and I peel it back, the sticky backing a little bit, and I press the applicator against the rim, and that's how you start. So I started off by cleaning the motorcycle wheels with some isopropyl alcohol, just to make sure it was free of any grit and dirt and oils, just to have the best possible stick that I could with the wheel tape. Now I gotta admit, this is not my first attempt at installing the wheel tape. This is my third attempt, and I will get to that towards the end of the video. So I'm applying even speed and even pressure, hard pressure, just to get the tape to go on smoothly. You can see I messed up a little bit. Don't be afraid to pull it back some and start from that point again. You'll still get a good stick. And then I just finish off the wheel here. Now towards the end here, I wasn't sure if I should cut it as close as I could or not. So I decided to overlap a little bit. I thought it would be better to have the wheel tape overlap just a tiny bit versus trying to get it to match up and not have it quite match up and have a little black gap there. And then I just applied pressure, even pressure again, just to stick it on as best as I could. There's a before and now the after. So I really like it. What was supposed to be a super easy install ended up causing me a lot more grief than I expected it to. So much so, I almost cut my losses and scrapped the whole project. As I mentioned earlier during the video, that was my third attempt at the installation. During my first two attempts, I used so much wheel tape that I no longer have enough here to complete my rear wheel. Finally clued in during my third attempt that what I needed to make a straight tape adhere to a curved surface was heat. I needed this to become more pliable. So I cut off a section that I needed and I let it sit outside and bake in the sun for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's the installation that you saw. I hope that if you decide to get some wheel tape that it works out the first time for you. I hope you can learn from my mistakes. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.